What is up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna make this video super quick just because I have to get ready for work, but I have a lot of such trades to talk about and I took one on the top step, Bullnox and Apex. So I did start the 250k challenge, so we'll talk about it in a minute. Real quick, the Apex 90% off ends today, I believe. Bullnox you still have until the May 31st, so pick some up if you want to. Use my code, please, appreciate it. But the account's sitting pretty good. The master, I'm up 45 bucks basically. This one's unchanged. This one I'm trying to bring up closer to the break even basically. And of course, like I said before yesterday, I passed the 100k challenge, which just feels real nice, and again, I can't keep it, but I guess technically you can keep this because you have to request to approve your evaluation once you pass the challenge. So technically speaking, if you just want to keep it once you pass it, and then when you're ready, you can just request to be approved. But the problem is you have to pay the monthly fee, right? So recurring billing, right? So, and the monthly fee for this is expensive, so I'm not gonna do that, but just a little something to think about, right? These are my trades. This last trade was on Apex. First trade was a higher low. Now this was very aggressive. Basically, I'm trying to pick the bottom here. I did have this skinnier channel in play, and I felt like we have a breaks and a leg down. Then once I saw this kind of price action here, I drew the bigger channel and I saw that this was a pretty aggressive trade. It did kind of got congested a little bit here, but it is what it is. I got my scalp and I was out. Second trade was the second entry short. Now I did see this overnight lows, and I think it's played out really perfect, and I saw rejection here. Now this was a little bit early entry, and it did chop around for a little bit. I did get stopped out. This was a loser, which was kind of unfortunate, but the risk was only 2.5 points, which is not a big deal. And then I was waiting for a lower high here somewhere in this area. We got one here, and I said, you know what, I like the price action. I'm gonna pull the trigger. I was still expecting to retest of these lows, which we do eventually here. And I was hoping it would happen here. I got 2 points out of this trade, and I was done with Bullnox. And let's talk about the Apex. So the Apex is looking pretty good. 700 on a day, and these commissions they get expensive, man. 50 bucks for commissions, man, that's a lot. But either way, it's 700 on a day. And this was a trade right here. It was basically the second entry long. You do have a break and you expect a retest of these highs, and I did get a runner, that 4-point runner here. I could have got more, but the reason I got only 4 points is because I actually got my scalp first, and I left to walk my dogs, and I set my target profit at this high right here, basically this overnight lows, and clearly see we got filled. I could have probably played it a little bit better if I was here and managing the trade, but I wasn't. So yeah, no big deal. 4-point runner, I'll take it. And this was 12 contracts, so 11 for scalp and 1 for runner. Now these runners, like I said before, they do make your PNL a lot better. If you keep doing like these runners, if you get 3, 4, 5-point runners and you do it consistently throughout your trading day, let's say if you catch 2 or 3 of these, I mean that's a lot of money. That adds up over time. And yeah, I mean, I highly recommend getting a runner for your setups. Right now I just can't do it with the Bullnox because I'm trying to scale slowly. I mean, technically I can, but I'm not gonna do that. But like I said before, the 250k challenge for me is just nothing. It's just, I don't care about it. I don't care if I pass, I don't care if I fail. It doesn't matter. Although the fee, the what do you call it, the fee activation fee is really nice. It's only $85, which is really nice. But anyways, let's talk about Top Step real quick. Again, up 423 on a day, and yeah, these bricks are they're just not good. I wish they had better bricks, but it is what it is. This was my trade right here. I got 2 points out of this trade, and I didn't get filled on this trade right here, and I did not get filled in this trade. So sometimes price takes off and you get left behind, and that is what it is. This trade was actually a market order. It wasn't a limit. But like I said before, the strategy is super simple. when the brick crosses the 13 AMA, go short for down or whatever, or vice versa. And if brick goes up, take a long. If it crosses up above the 13 AMA, go long. So simple strategy, super simple strategy. And if you want to be even more precise, you know, only trade short when it's below 200 and only trade long when it's above 200. So for example, this would be a long trade right here, and then this would be a short trade here, but you would get stopped out. Same thing here, and then this same thing here. You would have, again, mine is 1 to 2. You can do 1 to 1, but yeah, usually 1 to 2 works a lot better. You know, for example, this would work nicely right here. This would have been a loser, this would have been a winner, loser, loser, winner. You get the point. So that's how I trade these bricks. Again, they're not that great, but I've seen success, so I'm just keep trading them. I am scaling back to 1 contract, so I am getting close to passing this evaluation or this combine. We're at 2,500, so next tomorrow and next week I'll be trading only 1 contract. But like I said before, we usually when I get close to passing the evaluations, I just scale it back down to 1 and go from there. So yeah, that's it from me. That's it for the video. Remember, Monday is Memorial Day, so markets will close early. I won't be trading Monday, just because I don't like the I don't like no volume in my trading. And markets will close around 12 Central, so, or Eastern. I don't know, whatever, it doesn't really matter. But be aware. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Catch you guys next one. Peace.